Alright, this afternoon I will introduce you three important terms in math, but these three terms are different. I'll be giving you examples. Okay, so fraction, mixed number, and improper fraction. Okay, so these three are different. When you say fraction, it's actually for higher math, mixed numbers, improper fractions, they belong to the fraction category. Okay, but in order for you to identify, because sometimes while learning fractions, it's hard for you to distinguish what is mixed number, what is improper fraction, and what is fraction. So I want you to know the difference between these terms. So a fraction has only a numerator and a denominator, like 1/3. Okay, there's only a numerator and a denominator. A mixed number contains a whole number and a fraction, like 4 and 5, 6. You see, there's a whole number and there's a fraction. It makes it a mixed number. Okay? An improper fraction is just like a fraction, like this, but the numerator is greater than the denominator, like this, 8/3. Okay? So when a numerator is larger than the denominator, that is an improper fraction. When there's a whole number and a fraction, that's called mixed number. When there's nothing, just a smaller numerator and bigger denominator, then that's called fraction. Okay? So now that you know, I want you to know that a mixed number can be written into an improper fraction, and an improper fraction can be written into a mixed number. Okay? So let's get started. Let's have first mixed number to improper fraction. Okay, mixed number to improper fraction. For example, number 1, 3/5. Okay, so how can you make a mixed number 3/5 into an improper fraction? It's just easy. Okay, here are the steps. First, you multiply 5 to 3. Okay, there, that's times. So 5 times 3 is 15, right? So that's equals to 15. Over here, that's 15. This 15, you have to add it to 2. So 15 plus 2 is how many? 17. 17 over, copy that 5 here. Okay? Copy that 5. That's simple. So that is how you make a mixed number into an improper fraction. Another example. Okay? And perhaps you can also do it there with you. Okay? 6 and 1/2. Okay? I'll give you 1 minute to do it. Alright, time is up. If you answer 13 over 2, you're correct. Okay? How did you do that? Times. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Okay? So 13 over 2 because the denominator is 2. Okay? So that is how to write an improper fraction from a mixed number. Now, how can you make an improper fraction into a mixed number? Simple steps. Okay? I'm going to erase this one. Improper fraction to mixed number. Okay. So, for example, number 1. 12, 5. Okay? 12, 5. 12, 5 is an improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay? So, how can you change this into a mixed number? Simple steps. Okay? You just divide this one. So, that is 12 divide 5. Okay? Always remember, when you divide a fraction, the numerator is always your dividend and the denominator is always your divisor. Okay, so let's get started. 12 divided by 5 is 5 times what is 12 or lower than 12? That is 2, right? 2, that's 10. In minus 12 minus 10 is 2. Remainder 2. Okay, so now this is how you make this into a fraction. The 2 here, not the remainder, okay, but the 2 will be your whole number, the big number in front, and your remainder will be the numerator and copy the denominator. And that's it. Finish. Okay? So that's how you can make a mixed number from an improper fraction. Example number 2. Number 2 example. Let's say 8, 3. Okay? 8, 3. So simply divide. 8 divided by 3. That is what? 8 divided by 3 is 2. And that is 6. Minus, that's 2. Remainder, 2. Okay? So, again, these 2 will be your number in front. And the remainder is the numerator. And copy 3 there. So, that's your answer. Okay? Simple. Right? Now, in the next video, I will be teaching you how to simplify. Okay? Because there are sometimes answers from an improper fraction to a mixed number that needs to be simplified. Let me give you an example. Okay? Three. Let's say 15 over let's say change 10 over 4. Okay? Say 10 over 4. So, do the steps. 10 divided by 4. That is 2. 8 minus, that's 2, right? So this is remainder 2. So when you write it here, it becomes 2 and the 2 and 4. Okay? So, is it clear? Write it again. 2, 2, 4. You see, this 2, 4 can still be simplified. It means there's GCF in both these numbers. Okay? So, that's what you're going to learn in the next video that I'm going to show you. So the final answer for this is 2 and 1/2. Okay? So see you again and goodbye for now.